Besame Yacht Charter. Built by North Star Yachts, U.S. Charter Yacht BESAME is a 100-foot luxury yacht. She is available for charter in North America, sleeps up to 8 people in 3 cabins, and has a crew of 3 with separate heads and shower. Besame was originally built in 2002, but underwent a refit in 2008, which included alterations and maintenance work. The interior of luxury yacht charter Besame is spacious with 3 beautiful stagerooms, including a full beam master suite, a large VIP, and a comfortable twin cabin. Her interior design was by Keith Huzyak and Catherine Michael. Charter Yacht Besame's warm, open layout and large main salon with formal dining area are perfect for entertaining in comfort and casual elegance. On deck, she is perfect for all water sports and fishing. Besame Charter Yacht can cruise at 20 nautical miles per hour with a top speed of 24 nautical miles per hour. Some amenities of Besame Charter Yacht feature a jacuzzi in the master cabin, Wi-Fi and internet, satellite television, a wakeboard, fishing equipment, plus much more. Visit luxuryrentaldirectory.com and search for listing ID 910 to charter your trip aboard Charter Yacht Besame today.